Okay, the first thing you're going to do is click this Add Response button, find your name, and you will come up with this page. Here's the highlighter. You click on it. I'm going to use yellow, and all you have to do is highlight the words that you find and cross them off. UP. Once you have found all of the words and you have crossed them all off at the bottom, here's one more. You're going to come over here. If you click on this check, you can type words that you know how to spell. Let's see how I know how to spell. And you can move it down so you can type them. Whoop, if that happens, you click here, tap it, and it will move. That's how you move things. So when you click here, let's say you can spell book. Click it again, spell book. Now if you want to write it, you can click here and write the word. You could say like I-K-E. As many as you can. If you want to save it and work on it later, you can click draft right here. Finished. You click the check and it goes right to your spot so that you saved it. And you can see your name and the word that you have finished.